Namaskar. Good evening. Welcome to Nitty Gritty with Dr. Neeti Kaushik. Never say never. Never say no. You must be wondering what is it? What is it that I'm going to speak about today? I was just wondering, I said New Year is going to be here very soon. All of us try thinking कि नया साल है, new resolutions, new topics, new discussions. एंड हम उन रेजोल्यूशंस को, उन चीज़ों को कुछ दिनों तक लिंगर ऑन करते हैं. समटाइम्स वी फील कि हमने वेट लूज़ करना है एंड देन वी स्टार्ट जॉगिंग एंड विद लॉट ऑफ एंथुजियाज्म फ्रॉम द 1st of January and it gradually fizzles down. Sometimes we think we'll eat healthy and there are so many things. Let's start thinking and planning in the future. भगवान तो हम है नहीं, प्लान हम कर नहीं सकते. पर चलो इस बार मैं आपसे बात करती हूँ, आप सब यंगस्टर्स से, आप सब उन बच्चों से जो अभी बच्चे भी नहीं रहे और बड़े भी नहीं रहे, बड़े भी नहीं हुए. सो टू ऑल दोज टीनेजर्स, टू ऑल दोज चिल्ड्रन हु आर thinking a little about what they are intending to do, and to all those who are wanting to have a beautiful life ahead. So पहला ज्ञान for today's session. I started off with never say never again or never say no to anything. You are all the new generation children, right? And you understand when you look and search for a topic, or when you start, say for example, I am very fond of Shreya Ghoshal. So if I start looking for her songs and I listen to her songs, so the algorithm is such that the Google or the YouTube or the Facebook or your Insta, so those kinds of similar kinds of things will start happening because it understands. The algorithm understands, right? So similarly, the universe is also the same. It also understands what we say. But the irony is, it does not understand the word no. It does not understand the word nahi. Now I'll quote you a couple of examples. And जब हम ये कहते हैं ना कि ये तो मर के भी नहीं करेंगे, ये तो कभी नहीं होगा, the universe ensures कि वो ज़रूर हो. Because it does not understand the meaning of no. So as I said, I'll quote you my own examples. So first example, when we used to stay in Noida, this is way back in 92, 93. And my husband got an offer, an opportunity to be here in Gurgaon. He came and he said, ki, I don't know, but I think I'll be joining this company. And I told him, I said, I came to Gurgaon. From Noida, when I came to Gurgaon, then Noida was 1,000 times better than Gurgaon then, because it was a new city, new age, and a lot of new things were there, whereas Gurgaon was still a gaon. So I said, मरते मर जाऊंगी, गुड़गांव नहीं आऊंगी. कुछ भी हो जाए, गुड़गांव नहीं आऊंगी. And look at the irony. Universe, what did it listen? Gurgaon आऊंगी, गुड़गांव आऊंगी. नहीं तो was not heard by the universe. और भगवान की मेहर देखो, इस यूनिवर्स की मेहर देखो. I had to live here, and not only for a year. It's been since 1995 we've been here. God ensured, or universe ensured, that we make a house here, we build our house here, we stay here, we live here. So the thing which I kept on saying, nahi hoga ya nahi karungi, the universe ensured that we do it. So this was the first example. Stop saying no. Start asking for things that you want to do instead of saying no. Second example, और थोड़ा सा पीछे चलते हैं. When I still remember my father told me that after my post-graduation, he sent me the form for doing my B.Ed. And I told my dad, B.Ed? और टीचर? आपको क्या लगता है कि आपकी लड़की टीचर बनेगी? I ignored, I kept the form aside. He did not speak to me for a couple of days. He says, अच्छा मेरा दिल रखने के लिए तो B.Ed का फॉर्म भर तो दे, ठीक है, एग्जाम मत देना. And I said, ज़बरदस्ती क्यों कर रहे हो? I'm never going to be a teacher because I don't want to be a teacher. And he was persistent on the fact that, okay, only for a qualification do your B.Ed. आई सेड मर जाऊंगी, बीएड नहीं करूंगी, टीचर नहीं बनना मुझे ज़िंदगी में कभी भी, कुछ और करूंगी, टीचर तो कभी भी नहीं बनूंगी, ये भी कोई प्रोफेशन है, आई डोंट वांट टू बी अ टीचर. The more I said I don't want to be a teacher, the universe only listened to me, want and teacher, want and teacher, want and. No, it did not listen. So जो universe के algorithms के अंदर no word exist नहीं करता. And look at me today. Since then to now, I'm a teacher. And अभी भी क्या कर रही हूँ? I'm simply teaching. ज्ञान ही तो बांट रही हूँ. So, beta, the first lesson which I would like to tell you for the new year is start thinking of what you want to do. Start thinking of what you want to be. And the more you say that repeatedly, the more you think about it repeatedly, the more you manifest it repeatedly, it's going to come true. So, start talking in terms of I want this rather than I don't want this. So, that's the first funda, the first discussion, and the first lesson. So we'll move on to a couple of more things, and I have something very, very interesting. We'll talk about the vision board, we'll talk about manifestation, we'll talk about our dreams coming true, we'll talk about what is it that hurts us, we'll talk about what is it and how we can come over those things. So there's a huge amount of resource which I'm feeling very, very keen to share with you. So that's why starting with this one. आज सोने से पहले रात को दिमाग में लगाना कि मुझे क्या करना है और मुझे क्या क्या चीज़ें अपने लिए मैनिफेस्ट करनी शुरू करनी है. पेन देम डाउन, राइट, एंड लेट्स मेक आवर कोर्स ऑफ एक्शन एंड लेट्स मेक आवर प्लान इन दैट डायरेक्शन. So we'll take it forward like that. Stay connected, stay blessed, stay happy, and stay positive and think positive. God bless you. Thank you so much for connecting. In case you would want to listen to more on such topics, please mention in the comment box. We will be more than happy and ready to help you and assist you. बने रहिएगा, जुड़े रहिएगा. Thank you one and all.